Marty here, and we're going to unbox the IOHAWK. I've got a brand new, fresh, white IOHAWK, and let's see what comes in the box. Okay. You get some stickers for promo material, warranty card, user manual, good thing to read. We got 2 remote controls. They've got serial numbers on the back. This is the power supply. AC adapter. Here she is. Wrapped in plastic. It's got that IOHAWK smell. Look at that. Nice and clean. Got some stickers on the bottom, got the serial number. And that's all she has. It's already charged up, pretty close to a full charge. Let's have some fun. We just unboxed the IOHAWK. If you want to see more videos, click the link below to subscribe. If you want to buy your own, go to IOHAWK.com and use promo code San Diego. It'll get 20% off. Hawk on!